Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Students, now we start lesson 2 of maths class 5. First, we draw the place value chart and then put the numbers in it. It is unit, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 million, and billion. Now, in your classwork is page number 4, question number 4. In question 4, write the numbers in words. The numbers are given and you have to write the numbers in word. It is easy for us to first place the numbers in a place value chart, then we write the numbers in words. In part D, the number is 78000 We first place it in a place value chart. 0, 9, 7, 0, 0, 0, 8, 7. It is a number. Now how we write in words? It is 78 million and 790. 78 million 700 and 90. I explained part D for you. You have to complete question 4 A, B, C, D by the help of the explained example. Now question number 5, page number 4. Write the numbers in the figure given the spaces correctly according to the international system. It has 3 parts. I will explain one for you and the remaining will complete by the help of the explained example. In part C, the number is 700 million. It is 700 million. So we start from the 100 million and the number is 7. So we write 700 millions. Rest of the numbers are again all are zeros. We have to write in a international systems. First we write 3 numbers, 7, then hundreds, then remaining numbers. In this way we write the 700 millions in numbers. By the help of this you can complete your question number 5. Question number 6, write the numbers in the figure giving the spaces correctly. Here are the numbers. Without any gap, you have to place the numbers in the international system. In question number 7, write the following numbers in words. Like this, we have to already done it in question number 4. In question number 8, write the numbers in the figure giving the spaces correctly. Here are the numbers name. You have to write the numbers in the numbers by giving the spaces correctly, like you have to put the numbers in an international system. In question number 11, arrange the following numbers in descending order. Here are 3 parts A, B and C. You have to place the numbers in an ascending order descending orders. In part A, 3 numbers are there. You have to arrange the number in the descending order, and part B and C. Now I will give you our homework and classwork. You have to write it and complete it in the given way. Now students, exercise 1A, question 4, 5, 9, 10 and 12. You have to complete it, all these questions in your notebook. And for homework, question 6, 7, 8, 11, all these questions you have to complete in your notebook, and it is your homework. Complete all these examples, all these questions of 1A in your notebook. Now question number 9, write the place value of the ringed digit. In this question, you have to find the value of the number which is circled or ringed. Now I will explain one for you, and you complete the exercise by the help of the explained example. In part F, the number is 2541201782 and the ring digit is 5. First we place the number in a place value chart. 2, 8, 7, 1, 0, 2, 1, 4, 5 and 2. The ring digit is 5. How we know the value of the 5? It is 100 million. Then how we write it? We write it like this: 500 million, or $500 millions, or in number 500. Then how many zeros? 3 more for thousands, and then 3 more. In this way we write 500 millions or 500 million. By the help of this example, complete question number 9 in your notebook. Now in question number 10, write the following numbers in expanded form. All of you know that how we expand the number. First we write the number, and after number how many digits are there, we will write the zeros over there, like 3, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, plus 7, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. After the digit, then how many numbers are there? We write the zeros over there. I will explain one for you, and you will complete the exercise by the help of the given example. In part C, the number is 70512,847. How we expand them? Like this: 7, 0, 0, 0, 0. After this the number is 0. And how many digits after 0? 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then 5. How many digits? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then 1. How many digits? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 8. Then 2. How many digits are there? 3. 1, 2, 3. Then 8. 2 digits. Then 4. 1 digits. And at the end 7 is left. In this way we expand the number, and you can solve the exercise by the help of this example in your notebook. Now question number 12. Write the predecessor of the following number. Predecessor means first number before the number. I will explain one for you and you will complete the exercise in your notebook by the help of the explain example. In part D, the number is 2488909. We see the last number, it is 9, and the first one number before the 9 is 8. So the predecessor of the number is 2488908. And it is your answer, and by the help of this you can complete question number 12 in your notebooks. Now students, start exercise 1B. First, write the date over there. In question number 1, fill in the blanks. In part A, 6920110 is dash more than 6900000. What we have to do? We have to subtract these two numbers and we got the answer, which is 20110. In part B, sum of 4952106 and 900000 is, what we have to do? Sum means addition. We add these two numbers and the answer we got is 5852,106. In part C, 5874813 is greater than 5774813 by which number is bigger? And how many times it is bigger? We subtract the numbers and the answer is 1000. In part D, 3421792 and 421792 together means we had to add the numbers and we got the answer is 3843,584. Difference of these two numbers, difference means subtract, minus, and the answer is 3,999,249. In question 2, state whether the followings are true or false. If 1 is added to the greatest 8-digit numbers, it makes the smallest 9-digit number. Is it true or false? Yes, it is true. 5 lakh subtracted from 600 and 5 lakhs equals to 600,000 and 000. Is it? Is it true or false? How many zeros after 5? 5. And the remaining is this. It is true. Yes, it is true. In part C, 750,000 is the sum of, means when we add 5 lakh and 25,000, we got the answer like this. No, it is false. The difference of 1 to 500, 720 and 20 to 500, 720 is 1 to 500 and 000. Is it? No, it is false. 9216477 is a sum of, means if we add these two numbers, can we get this answer? Yes, we get the given answer. It is true. Now select the correct answers from the given option in question number 3. The number which is 50,000 more than 61253,129 is 50,000 more. We have to add 50,000 in this number and we got the answer which is 61203,129. Part B, the number which is 2,000 less than 39,732,400 is, we have to subtract 2,000 from this number and we got the number which is 39,730 and 400. If 8,765,550 is reduced by 7,000,550, the result is equal to, reduce means if we subtract this number from this, what we have? You have the number, it is 1,765,000. 6, 7, 8 to 4 and 7 to 9 plus this is equal to, we have to add these two numbers and we got the answer which is 68,148,945 and this is the right answer. If the smallest 6-digit number is subtracted from the greatest 7-digit number, the result is, what do you think? What is the result? Greatest 7-digit number. It means the number must be 7. And the actual number is 9889. 989, is it? No. Look at the number. It is the greatest 7-digit number and we subtract 1 from this and we got the answer. The answer is 9899,999 and it is the right answer. Now question number 4, add the given numbers. Simply we add two numbers and we got the answers. 6 plus 3, it is 9. 4 plus 2, 6. Again 6 plus 3, it is 9. 5 and 4, 9. 8 and 1, 9. 0 and 9, it is 9. And 2 plus 1 is 3. By adding these numbers, we got the answer like this, 399,969. By all of you know how to add the numbers. You can complete the exercise A till I by the help of the given example and complete your question 4 in your textbook. Now student, exercise 1B, question 1, 2, 3, 4 is your classwork and you have to complete these questions in your textbook.